Hi, this is Lori Magnuson with Stamp Sunshine on Facebook, and I'm coming to you today because I've been working on the March 2023 paper pumpkin. It's called 10 Years of Growth, and this is our anniversary paper pumpkin. We have already closed the ordering of the original paper pumpkin box as far as a subscription goes for this month. However, I just looked online, and as of the airing, or as of the recording, I should say, of this video on March 28th at 3 p.m. Arizona time, there is refills available for $11, and the refill number is 162989, and you can find that on my Stampin' Up website at lorimagnuson.stampinup.net. But whenever you do order a refill, that does not include ink or stamps. It just includes everything you need to make 9 cards. Now, this is an alternative that I found online, and I changed it up just a little bit. I added a cute little open leaf trinket here. It's a gold trinket, as you can see, and some gold twine that we have, gold thread from past paper pumpkin kit that I had. But essentially all I did was I put this on one of our cardstock colors, and just to show you as far as that goes, I haven't completed these, but you can just select any card color that coordinates, any cardstock color that coordinates with the paper pumpkin kit, and create your card that way. Now this one I added a white card base, a layer of Coastal Cabana, and then I cut out the top of the paper pumpkin card with a rectangle stitch die. Now, then, all that said, what I wanted to show you today was the way that I achieved this kind of curved look on the pot that I have here. And I've done this before on a couple of my projects, and I think they turn out really cute, rather than this look, which is a flat pot. Okay, this is cute, but they're both flat. So I just wanted to show you here really quickly how you can achieve a sort of a curved look on your pot. Basically, all you're going to need is your pot from the paper pumpkin kit and your bone folder. And you're just going to take your bone folder and hold it between your thumb and your other finger, and you're just going to create a curve with it. I kind of made an exaggerated curve, but you can see here that it is curved. And then when you put it onto your card, you're just going to place your dimensionals right up and down the middle. So what I did was I just took 3 little mini dimensionals, and I just placed them right in the center of this little pot here. Then you can simply peel those off, and you'll be putting that on the front of your card. And as you can see, it gives it sort of a curved look like it's a real pot. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and you can join me for more information on paper pumpkin by going to lorimagnuson.stampinup.net, or come see me on Stamp Sunshine on Facebook. Okay, hope you're having a great day. And if you're making your cards, send them out. Stamp Sunshine.